How to fix Snapchat support code C14A or C14B. This could be caused due to the poor network connectivity and many other factors. So follow these steps to fix it. Step 1. Network connectivity. If you have poor network connectivity, then switch to mobile data or any other network. To do so, simply scroll down the status bar. Click on Mobile Data to activate mobile data. Step 2. Clear cache. Open Snapchat on your device. Now go to your profile. Click on Settings icon from the top right corner. After that, scroll down to Account Action section. From here, select Clear Cache button. Then tap on Continue button. Step 3. Update Snapchat. Go to Play Store or App Store. Tap on Search button from the bottom right corner. Click on the search bar and type Snapchat. If you have Update button, tap on it to download the latest version. If you have Open button instead of Update button, it means you already have the latest version of Snapchat. Step 4. Reinstall Snapchat. Tap on the Uninstall button and again install Snapchat. If all the above steps don't work, then try restarting your device. And that's how you can fix Snapchat support code C14A or C14B.